How does a céilí fit into Irish storytelling traditions? Imagine a lively gathering where music, dance, and stories come together in one joyful event. That's what a céilí is in Ireland. It's a social get-together that has been part of Irish life for centuries. While most people think of céilís as fun dances and lively tunes, they are also connected to Ireland's storytelling roots. In old times, these gatherings weren't just about dancing. They were places where stories, legends, and local news were shared. A seanchaí, or traditional storyteller, would entertain the crowd with tales of heroes, fairies, and everyday life. These stories helped keep Irish history and culture alive, especially in rural communities where books and literacy weren't widespread. When you go to a céilí today, you might notice that the focus is mainly on music and dance. But the spirit of storytelling still lives on. Songs and ballads sung in Irish or English often tell stories of love, rebellion, or historical events. Sometimes, a singer will perform a ballad that captures a moment of Irish history or folklore. In some places, especially during festivals or in pubs, you might still find a storyteller sharing tales in an informal way. This shows how the tradition of storytelling is woven into the fabric of Irish social life. The dances and music often carry stories too. For example, dances like the Siege of Ennis or the Walls of Limerick are not just steps, they are stories told through movement. The music, whether jigs, reels, or hornpipes, often carries the names of places or people, keeping memories alive. For travelers, joining a céilí offers a chance to connect with Irish culture firsthand. You don't need to be a dancer or musician to take part. Just listen, watch, and enjoy. You might hear a song that tells a story of love or loss, or see a dance that recalls a historic event. Sometimes, a storyteller might share a tale that adds to the experience. The role of a céilí in Irish storytelling is both historical and ongoing. It was once a main way for communities to share stories before widespread literacy. Today, it remains a living tradition that shows how music, dance, and stories continue to be intertwined. Even if you don't hear a formal story, the event itself is a story about community, resilience, and Irish pride. If you are traveling in Ireland, look out for local festivals, pub sessions, or community halls hosting céilís. You don't need special skills to join in. The goal is to be part of the gathering, to listen, and to feel connected to Irish culture. Every tune, step, and sometimes every word carries the weight of history and community. Participating in a céilí is a wonderful way to experience Ireland's living traditions, where stories are told through music, dance, and shared moments.